Welcome. In front of me is an OUKITEL WP35, and today I'm going to show you how you can enable and set up your Do Not Disturb mode. So to get started, you will want to find the toggle, and you can do so by swiping down from the top right side of your screen, and since somewhere here you'll find the actual Do Not Disturb mode. If it's not visible on the first page, you might need to swipe to the left to get to the second page. Now let's see if I can find mine. Oh, there we go, it's on the first one for me, right over here. Now once you see this toggle, to change the settings, you want to hold it, and this will take you to the settings. And here we have a couple different things. I'm not going to touch upon most of those. I'm just going to focus on a couple that I find more important, which would be things like the schedule. And here you can enable the fully automatic schedule. There is one pre-made called sleeping. That's for basically everyone, will be the same, and runs all week long, starts at 10 p.m. ends at 7 a.m. and if you're planning to use any kind of schedule, just make sure that it is enabled in here. Now you can obviously create new ones, so you could select time right here, name it whatever you want, and then select days of the week, start, end time, and that's it. Once you create one, it should, as you can see, automatically become enabled. And another option is the duration for quick settings. And this defines what will happen when you manually enable the mode. I personally like to select it on a timer and make it something like 4 hours. So I like 4 hours just because I feel like this covers everything that I would need it for, plus a little bit of time extra. So if I forget about the mode running, the device will turn it off after the 4-hour timer runs out. And obviously if I remember about it, I can turn it off before the timer runs out. So now, with that being said, as it is right now, when I tap on it, it will run for only 4 hours. Now, it's kind of not very visible on the camera, but it is right now blue, as in kind of like lit up. Let's see if I can maybe, it's a little bit more visible. Oh, there we go. So lower brightness actually makes it a bit more visible. So you can see right now it's blue, so it is enabled. You can also turn it off before the timer runs out by tapping on a toggle once again. So anyway, with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.